One of my favorite parts about the 40th anniversary is the sustainability pledge that we're making.
Sustainability is in our DNA. It's what we started with, it's where we are today.
Well, sustainability has always been a huge part of the heart of JPMS. Our goal overall is to just make the world better in any small and big ways that we can. Less plastic use, less trash in the landfill, cleaner air, cleaner water, healthier animals, healthier people. In any way that we can touch, we're trying. Sustainability is also something that's not just one and done. It's a constant evolution, and it's something that's always changing and we're always looking to grow in, whether it's in manufacturing practices, sourcing responsible materials, looking at a cleaner way to manufacture, to produce, any little thing we can do to help the environment, to help the people, the planet, and make our product that much better in the meantime.